to the house.
Here we go. That's crazy. Breakfast on the plane. Croissant, a cup of latte. Look where we are now, man. Kilimanjaro Airport. Now we are in Kilimanjaro Airport. I drink a lot of bottle of Kilimanjaro beers, but now is the first time we're actually in here. So now I'm gonna find a bicycle to the bus station. Then we took the bus. Take 1 hour to Moshi town. Later we drove on dirt road, which was very bumpy. I'm on my way to the hostel I just booked on the booking. Just now I went the wrong way, but warmly madam took me shortcut to my hostel. I think it's not far from here. This is my host. I book on booking platform, and I booked 2 nights. So it's tonight and the tomorrow night. The day after tomorrow, I will leave Moshi to Arusha. Right now, I'm in the downtown of this Moshi small town. So before we go to the Chemka hot springs, let's go grab some chocolate to eat. It's like 12 o'clock. I'm starving. Yeah? There's a restaurant near the bus station. Madam, this restaurant is closed.
Yes, it's closed.
Nearby any other restaurant?
Yes, it's there. Next.
Next?
Yes.
Alright, Sante. Selling some changers. What is this? Wait,
Do you want this?
no, I have this. Badaya. I'm not sure it's this bus. Let me go ask. Chagga. This bus is go to this place. Alright. I just met a guy. He took me to the bus. No, Japanese. That guy stopped me. I was a Japanese, bro. Which one, boss?
Yeah.
Which one? Dala. At the foot of the Mount Kilimanjaro, people grew a lot of corn. I paid 25,000 Tanzania shillings for the motorcycle driver. He took me from Bamanga bus stand to Chemka hot springs and waiting for me there. Look where we are now. This water is like 7 meters deep. Very clean. You can see the roots inside the water. Good hammer. How much for rent, bro?
Yeah, 10,000.
3,000.
10,000, not 3,000.
Bro, you're kidding me, bro.
No, 10,000.
Before it's 5,000, you charge me 10,000.
Okay.
Where can I get the change?
10,000.
Over there. 他是不是玩完？哎，你玩完了？怎么样？你下水了吗？
下水了，还挺暖和的。
可以。你这个东西怎么？你东西谁帮你看吗？有怎么？
我有这个。
啊，你有防水袋。
对。
哦。
是我早上看到的。
对，我们住在一块儿。我借你，那我回去还你。拜拜。我操，防水袋可以。
Coffee processing, 1 kilometer.
The price is like 10,000 per person, including coffee shop, waterfall, and tour guide.
Okay.
It's okay.
Hello, my friend. You going to the coffee tour?
Yeah, coffee tour.
Yeah.
Where is the shop?
Let's go.
Let's go. Jesus.
And after coffee tour,
After the coffee shop is the waterfall, right?
Oh, yes.
Waterfall, how long will it take?
For all trip like
All trip.
All trip like 2 hours. After the waterfall, we have a Chagga museum. There you can get the story about the Chagga and the Maasai.
Ah, it's okay.
Then underground cave.
Let's go to your shop.
Yeah.
Where's your shop? I wanna take it out, chameleon. Let's just don't be scared. Oh, whoa. This tour guide just take us to his shop, and we discuss the price.
Only this one. This one we call peeling machine. We call Chagga grinder.
Chagga
Grinder. And also we use for making coffee powder. Just a moment.
Okay.
Marango, they mean the name of this village. So if you are now ready for the tour, before the tour, I have a coffee plantation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's follow this. The name of this coffee.
Arabica.
Arabic. Okay.
Arabica coffee. And the Arabica coffee is coffee need shadow. We grow coffee and the banana together, and another plant like avocado, mango, they grow.
Okay. What does the Chagga mean?
Chagga, they mean the tribe.
부落.
And this is how to pick coffee. We pick one by one.
You only pick the red one. It's mature.
Only the red.
Right.
We don't pick the green.
Okay.
After 7 days, other green, they change to
color.
Come a red like this. The next step to do, we can do for the peeling machine. The red beans, this is now ready to pick.
Okay, you can chew it.
The ripe coffee, they are cream and they are sweet. If you don't have any more question, let's go.
So, una miaka mingapi?
Me?
Yeah.
Can you guess how old I am?
I assume like 55 years old.
55 years?
Yes.
Me, I'm the people born 1951. I'm now 74 years old.
74.
Yeah. One time we pick the red beans like this, we fill full on the machine.
Okay.
And the machine is machine made by wood and metal. Tell now sister to roll metal to do like this.
You can do.
Do like this. Do. One day when we do like this, because the coffee seed, the ripe beans, they're a little bit slippery. And also the first day the coffee was so sweet.
So sweet.
Yeah, sweet same like a berries.
Yeah.
To cut the juice, one day to keep, and the second day to wash. After then to wash, and then to dry out to the sun place.
How long will it take to finish the dry?
That takes like 3 weeks. Because the weather, some day was cloud,
Yeah.
other day was sun,
Because the moist
other
weather.
day was rain.
Yes, raining.
That's why they take so long time to
Okay.
dry.
The first step is peeling from the seed.
After then to dry for 3 weeks, we find already dry like this. They look color same like a peanut.
Not for it.
If you can look so nice, have another third. Tell me now coffee in Swahili name.
Kahawa.
Say kahawa.
Kahawa.
This step is so hard to do by hand. We use grinder like this. Chagga grinder. You are not expert, yeah? So the step to do is now to blow in.
Okay.
And the step to blowing, you must to be careful without to lose the coffee.
제대로.
It's so easy. You want to try?
Yeah.
All right.
I will
Take care. Don't lose the coffee. Huh?
Okay.
You make sure you done it.
It's not that clean.
You are not expert.
Not expert. We are startup. I have a pot.
We are now time for roast the coffee. And the coffee we do to roast like 8 to 10 minutes.
In China, we cook tea by hand.
By hand.
Yeah, just.
And the China people, they love coffee.
I think China people love tea more than
Tea.
coffee.
Tea.
Yeah, more than coffee.
Chai.
Yeah, chai. Bora chai. Waiting for all these coffee beans, the color change to dark brown. Then this process is finished.
Tuanga.
Is Swahili song?
Yeah. Tunywe kahawa.
What does this mean?
Grinding.
Grinding.
Drink
Drink
coffee.
coffee. Alright.
Twanga to the kahawa. Twanga to the kahawa. Double twanga to the kahawa. Twanga.
Baada ya kupunguza uzalishaji wake, wataalamu wanasema plastiki hii
Maybe
inatokana
like 4 months ago. Right? No step. I think you just make a cup of coffee.
Strong, medium. That you choose, we can do.
Okay.
You choose strong.
Yeah, strong.
This is a good strong enough. Looks like a chocolate, yeah?
Yeah, chocolate color.
Hot chocolate.
For
20 years.
20 years.
Okay. You're the guy to climb Mount Kilimanjaro.
Yes.
Wow. I want to climb, but I'm afraid I cannot make it.
Why?
Huh? I never live in the high altitude area, so. I just continue. Let's do it again.
Hakuna Matata.
Okay,
Thanks.
safe.
Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Now we are in Marengo local market. I'm selling some fruits, some vegetables.
Mind you.
Smell it.
Peppermint.
Oh, it's lemongrass.
Peppermint.
Peppermint.
Yeah,
For tea.
Yeah.
Hibora. Beside this small road, people are planting some mango trees, banana trees, papaya trees. This way, it's like 400 meters. Then we'll reach to the waterfall. 在这儿买票吧。Caribou, some earrings, some souvenirs made of the wood.
Here are rabbits and their generations. Our rabbits are famous from happiness.
Okay.
Yeah. It's like Amila was from
They,
Kilimanjaro.
what they eat, like a
There
carrot?
is biscuits, anything. For instance, you can try to feed them.
你要来这儿喂兔子吗 ？Don't afraid, don't afraid. Here we go. Woo. Hello, my friend. He's afraid. Like how big he can grow?
Yeah. Maybe
Like
5 years.
This size?
Yeah, exactly.
It's helmet size.
Yeah.
So they normally eat like watermelons
Yeah.
or some
And
fruits,
some plants.
some plants.
Yeah.
Okay. Waterfall, you through this way.
Different plants as we see here.
Mm.
But it's not exactly like Serengeti.
You mean Serengeti National Park?
Yeah. And starting from here, we call it zone of Kilimanjaro. Because we call the zone of Kilimanjaro, we are trying to hike and diving, and different adventurous activities are conducted from this stage up to there down to waterfalls.
Just be careful. I can hear the sound of the waterfall. Before I went to Morogoro, there is also a waterfall.
Oh, okay.
Morogoro. Slowly, slowly.
Pole pole.
Very slippery.
Do you know slowly in Swahili?
Yeah, kidogo, right?
Pole pole.
Pole, pole. Kidogo is small, right?
And hello in Swahili, you know?
Yeah, jumbo.
Yeah, jumbo. And not all that at Kilimanjaro zones, we have a place of bonfire. Where people, divers after diving to waterfalls or after swimming, they come here to get hot or temperature.
Okay.
Yeah.
Today not too much tourists.
No. Can you take a picture?
Huh?
Can you take a picture?
I'm shooting a video.
Oh.
I will post. Wow.
Here, there are different steps where divers are jumping for different.
Jump from here.
Yeah, from here up to there. Now.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it's just like 30 meters from here up to there.
Oh.
The first step is there.
Oh.
Yeah,
Crazy.
they jump from there up to down.
That's crazy.
And the second one is here.
Oh, you do have the third one. Like
Do you want to see people out diving?
I can swim, but I'm not a good swimmer.
Oh.
So we're back our hiking trip, and we're back to the Moshi town. We found a very traditional coffee shop, like open like for Sijambo.
Hey, mambo vipi?
Let's check. Do you have the menu, Chagga?
Yeah.
撒了，那咱找地儿坐吧。哪里？